Hello dear students, today's topic is the conversion of pKa to Ka. In our previous lecture or video, we have gone through the conversion of Ka, that is the dissociation constant, to the pKa value, and in this video we will go for the conversion of the pKa value to the dissociation constant value. As we have discussed in the previous video, both the pKa and Ka, they are associated with the acidity of a substance, and as I have mentioned in the previous video, a low pKa value or high Ka value associated with the high acidity of a substance. For example, for hydrochloric acid, the pKa value is minus 6.1139 and its Ka value is 1.3 into 10 to power 6. While for sulfuric acid, the pKa1 value is minus 2.8 and the Ka1 value is 6.3 into 10 to power 2. If we compare the pKa values of both the acids, we will find that the hydrochloric acid have the lower pKa value than the sulfuric acid. That's why the hydrochloric acid is considered to be the stronger acid than the sulfuric acid. So let's start with the conversion of the pKa value to the Ka value. The formula is a very simple one. The Ka equal to minus anti-log of pKa. So if you know the pKa, it is very easy to convert it into the Ka value. For example, the pKa value of hydroiodic acid, that is Hi, is minus 9.5. So just put this value into the equation, we will get Ka equal to minus anti-log of minus 9.5. So if we simplify it, it will become anti-log of 9.5. Here this minus into this minus will become the positive value. So we have to look for the anti-log of 9.5. But for the anti-log, we have to go for the mantissa. Here these two values means the digit before the decimal point is called as the characteristic and the digit after the decimal point are called as the mantissa. So we are in need of 4 digits of the mantissa, whereas here we have a single digit of mantissa. So for conversion of it into the 4 digits, we just simply put 3 zeros over here. So it will become anti-log of 9.5000. So here in mantissa we have the 4 digits now. This figure, the 9, in the solving the anti-log, just go into the power of 10. So it will become 10 to power 9. Then we will go for the anti-log value of the first 2 digits after the decimal point. That means we have to go for the anti-log value of 0.50 into the 0 column, and then we have to go for the value of mean difference into the 0 column. So here the value of 0.50 into the 0 column is 3162. So the answer is 3.162 into 10 to power 9. So dear students, please keep this point in mind that whenever we write down the value of the anti-log of 0.50, it is 3162. What we have to do, we simply have to put a decimal point after the first digit. So it will become 3.162 into this characteristic value then goes to the power of 10. So it will become 3.162 into 10 to power 9. So dear students, the pKa value of hydroiodic acid is minus 9.5 and its Ka value is 3.162 into 10 to power 9. If we compare this value with HCl, we will find that this is a very high value. That means the hydroiodic acid is the stronger acid than that of the hydrochloric acid. Now we will take a second example. The pKa of trichloroacetic acid, that is CCl3COOH, is 0.66. So when we put this value into the equation, it will become Ka equal to negative anti-log of 0.66. That means it is anti-log of minus 0.66. Again, in the characteristic, we have a single digit. In the mantissa, we have the 2 digits. So for simplicity, we will convert, or we will put 2 zeros after this 66 so that it will become a 4-digit figure. So it will become Ka equal to anti-log of minus 0.6600. In case of negative values, dear students, we have to make a very special kind of correction over here. For example, we have to subtract 1 from the characteristic. So when 1 is subtracted from 0, it will become minus 1. So this minus 1 then goes to the power of 10. That means after solving the equation, we have to put this minus 1 into power of 10. So it will become 10 to power minus 1. Then we have to make one more correction over here. That means we have to subtract the mantissa from 1. So when this mantissa 0.6600 is subtracted from 1, that is nothing but 1.0000, we will get the value 0.3400. This subtraction of the mantissa value 0.6600 from 1 gives the value 0.3400. Now this value is highly important to us because here we have to look for the anti-log value of 0.34 into the 0 column. So the value of 0.34 into the 0 column is 2188. So when we write down the answer, we will simply write down it as 2.188 and into 10 to power minus 1. So this will be the Ka value of trichloroacetic acid. If we further simplify this equation, it will simply become 0.2188 because 2.188 into 10 to power minus 1, that means 2.188 divided by 10 will become 0.2188. If we further simplify it, it will become 21880 into 10 to power minus 5, and this is the Ka value of trichloroacetic acid, which is indicated in the literature. So dear student, that is all about the conversion of the pKa value to the Ka value. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.